It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. It's a new year, so we gotta start with a bang. As you can see with this blonde unit. So into this video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit that you see, and I have been dying to try this unit. When it first came out, I was like super excited, but I just couldn't get it. Oh no, excuse me. So it's the Outre lace front STEVIE in the color DR4 613, and this is what it looks like on the model. And it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is pretty nice. And it comes with a middle part, so you cannot part it anywhere else. But I love the dark root. Like dark root unit always looks nice. Like it looks nice. And this is like, I think this is my first 613. I think so. If not, it's my first 613 in 2020. So, but yeah, so it comes with the standard weight cap construction. Got two combs in the front, one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And is it? Okay, so it's not like the dark root is not all the way, as you can see when it stops like at the front, and the lace is ear to ear, and it fit pretty snug on my head. So this is nice. I have not gotten any tangling or whatsoever, which is awesome. And shedding has been minimum, like I guess few strands whenever I rub my hands through it. But that is expected with synthetic wigs, and it is color, so definitely. So you can find this on Wig Types for $28.31. It's a little up there, but yeah, it's still affordable, just a little up there, you know. But I love it. Like I can't, like I just love. Look at that. Do you see how I love how the curls are just going like this? It's like soup like. Okay, I got hair in my mouth, but like frame my face. I am just a disclaimer. Throughout the year, this whole year, I'm gonna be feeling myself. I am gonna be feeling myself. So if you can't handle it, well, it was nice while it lasted, because this is what you got now. But yeah, so yeah, I will do a 360 so you can see what the unit looks like while I'm over here rambling and stuff. Yeah guys, so what do you think about STEVIE? I love STEVIE. I am so glad I got my hands on her. Oh, what is that? Oh. But yeah, so this is it for this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. And the code word for today is 2020. Why not? Hashtag 2020. If you have reached this far, comment down below. Hashtag what is that? Hashtag, I think that's hashtag 2020 to let your girl know you're supporting her and watching the full video. yeah, so this is it for this video, and I'm gonna go take pictures because I'm feeding myself in this 613. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.